Welcome back to the Laugh and Learn channel. We're going ahead with our Laugh and Learn verb timeline. We now have present simple in the middle, present continuous in the middle for now, and we're going to add a future tense. And we're going to use a little bit of magic. So, if you have your paper at home, you have the line, you have present simple, present continuous, and now you can add present continuous for the future. We're going to use the same structure, which is am, is, are, the verb to be in the present. Am, is, are plus verb ing, so running, swimming, reading, sleeping. To make present continuous future, you're going to make a line. Let's put another little dot. So we have the line. Now I'm going to write change context. I like a symbol for change. So this for me is change. Change context for future plans. Okay? Something that you organized, that you planned for the future. Maybe you called your friend, maybe you called an aunt or an uncle in Australia and you want to visit. You made a plan. So we're going to use present continue for future plans, and we have to change the context of the sentence. So here's the magic. Don't write this on your verb timeline. I'm going to write the magic here, but you can write on the back present continuous for future plans, and here we go, here's the magic. We are eating. If you say we are eating, you mean we are eating now or right now. How can we change this to a future plan? We are eating. Remember, the structure stays the same. Am, is, are, verb ing, we are eating. The magic is you can change the context like this. We are eating at, let's say, Grandma's house tomorrow. We are eating at Grandma's house tomorrow. Now it's future, all right? It's just magic. Let's try another one. Okay. She is studying. If you say she is studying, the idea is she is studying now or right now. Don't disturb her. She is studying right now. But to change this to the future, you can do the future plans magic. Let's try. Take this away. She is studying when? She is studying with Anna. She is studying with Anna on Saturday. So now, magic. It's present continuous for the future, for future plans. She called Anna, it was a plan, they organized a study date, and so on Saturday, she is studying with Anna. Okay. Perfect. That is really simple. Present continuous for future plans is super simple. You don't have to change anything. The structure remains the same, and the examples are easy. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to download the verb timeline, you can go to my website, laughandlearnco.com. Thanks again, and don't forget to keep laughing and learning. Okay, bye.